Hi guys, welcome back. This is another commute video, and I'm also testing out the new Action camera. I've been having a few problems with the GoPro, losing sound and what have you, freezing. So I've decided to upgrade the camera and buy a Dji Action 4. So this is the first time out with the camera, so I'm just testing it just to see how it performs and functions, and also need to see what changes and tweaks and what have you I'll need to make to it. So yeah, I've decided to upgrade the camera to the DJI. Don't get me wrong, the GoPro's a fantastic bit of kit, it really is, and I will still be using it, but like I say, it's just let me down once too often now. It's a GoPro Hero 9, and I've had that camera for a good few years. I got that when it first came out, so that just shows you how long I've had it. And I've always been happy with the video quality of the camera. The picture is outstanding, it really is. The picture quality is good, I do like it, but it was just the losing the audio and the freezing. Been on I'm putting the lights back up here. I've been on some cracking rides with Alex and Willie and what have you, and the video's just been ruined with zero audio, absolutely nothing, silent, and it's just basically ruined it, so I've had to scrap it. So I'm hoping that the DJI is going to be more reliable, and that should hopefully make more videos. Now with the GoPro, we're losing all the videos on it, you know. It stopped me from recording. I was going out loads of rides with Alex without the camera, because I wasn't guaranteed that what we were out riding was going to capture. So a new camera was needed. So like I say, I've got the Dji Action 4, and I've mounted this to my Schubert helmet, and this is the flip up helmet, and I've never ever fitted a camera to this one. Interesting to see how that turned out with the light change, going into shadows and what have you. Now, like I say, I haven't touched any of the settings on it. I've just set the resolution and the frame rate. and it's currently on rock steady, so I don't know if that'll be any better than the GoPro's is it horizon leveling or horizon balancing. But like I say, this is just a test run, so I probably will try it in different modes and resolutions and see what works best for me. I mean, at the moment it's recording on 2.7K, and that's only because on the GoPro I record that in 4K 60 frames, and I want the frame rates to match both cameras, because I think, not that I'm an expert, but I think that'll make it easier for editing. So my little Honda, this is now my commuter bike. Right, come on, lights are at green, wake up. This is my little commuter bike. So 2 years on, and it's done 11,296 miles, is that? Yep. So 11,000 miles in 2 years, that's pretty good going. And it's great on fuel. I'm getting high 60s to the gallon. And at the moment I'm getting 67 miles to the gallon. Which is pretty decent. Plus it's nice and narrow and quite nimble. Perfect bike for commuting. Absolutely perfect. I would totally recommend this as a commuter bike. But what this bike does need, and it'll probably get them this month, is a set of tyres. Because these are still running on the original Dunlop Sports Maxes. Come on you fucking fruitcake. That's him dealt with. Don't do this at home. These lights going to change because there's somebody there. No, they're not. Happy days. Down the bus lane to keep the traffic flowing, and then you've got a car parked in it. Great, eh? Totally defeats the purpose of a bus lane, to keep the public transport moving. You notice every time you see an Amazon van it's battered to hell. I've never seen an Amazon van with a straight panel yet. Look, there's bits of trim missing on that, dents up the side, dents on the back door of that. You know, the van's only 3-year-old. They're all battered to hell. Get in the inside lane here because this junction up here is an absolute clusterfuck. This street was all rutted to hell, so the council redone it all, and when they reopened it they put all these stupid lanes in, brought the junctions right out and narrowed the road down. Absolute fucking planks. Well, it's flowing today. There's a truck up there, I'll just stay in this lane. Look, there's a nice big gap for me to get through it. Well, there was until fucking Prime Features fucking ruined it. Aye, at least they said thank, at least they said sorry. Live and let live. I was a bit quick, right enough. Where the fuck are you going? You're on the wrong side of the road. Fucking Nora, man. Guaranteed that's a tourist.